Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use the sensor thing. First of all, this is a force sensor. And it is attached to a table that is level, that is on level ground, that is in fact on Earth. Okay, so y'all can actually, I'm going to have it to where every group can come up and use this setup that I have here. So I have a tube to keep the car on track when it falls onto this. And then I have a ring stand that the tube is attached to. You still need to draw and label all this. That is attached to the table, that is level, that's on level floor, that's on Earth. Y'all know all that. So here, Miss Pierce, can I show him? No, not yet. Hearing him. Just show me the car. This is a car that has a bumper that's like, you know, because you're changing the material. So this is a softer material than the car, yes. And I have this force sensor plugged in to this, which is a computer, which needs to be labeled that it's attached to the force sensor and that it's a computer. Again, all on a table. Alright, so if you can look at this, basically this is what your data table needs to look like. The force sensor measures both time and force. It's got the units on it too. So that needs to be on there. So, and then there's a graph that this is actually going to make, but you're going to make your own graph. So the main thing you're going to focus on is the interesting parts of this thing right here. Okay, so hang on, Miss Pierce, would you put the car where she's going to drop the car on the force sensor. Yeah, actually, would you demonstrate once what this looks like then without the computer? Go ahead, drop. You're going to do that. And it all needs to be from the same height each time, so you might want to make a mark. That's okay. Oh. Okay, so now she's going to do the exact same thing. Hang on. And I am going to show you what the computer does. Okay, go drop it. Okay, so if you look at this, there is the, whoops. Sorry, it's blurry. That little peak right here is the interesting part. So I'm going to go down and find, let me see where that starts. No, it's okay. Oh, sorry. See where this starts at the bottom? So it looks like it's at like 1.6-ish seconds. Oh, sorry. Okay, 1.6 seconds. It's hard to do. You want to film this? Okay, so 1.6 seconds. Basically, you're going to find the most interesting. Yeah, you can see it kind of change right here.
I can't see it.
There. You're going to highlight like the 5 most interesting points. And no, it's blurry. You're not going to be able to see it. You're going to basically pick out 5 interesting data points from this. See how I'm highlighting it? And that's going to be the data you record. So basically just start off with time. Oh man, it's blurry. Okay, time and force. Oh, that helps. Time and force. So that's what the data table needs to look like. This is the setup. Everything's attached to everything and connected to the computer. That's pretty much impulse. Remember, 3 different materials, 3 different trials for each one, for a total of dropping the car 9 times.